rattles. All cars rattle when you hit bumps or potholes or whatever. That's not what we're going after here. What we're going after here is a rattle when you're braking. Now, I think automatically when I hear a rattle when I'm braking, something that's maybe supposed to be a rubber bushing that's worn out. And when I talk about a rubber bushing, I'm talking about the rubber bushings that are inside the caliper here, these on the slides. You know, this slide goes back and forth nice and easy, but if that rubber is worn out, now the caliper will make metal on metal contact inside the bracket to the caliper. That could be a rattle noise. The other rattle noise I might really look at is to make sure I'm using my new hardware. Hardware not only allows the pad to slide, it also keeps it in place. This one right here actually is, when I stick it in the ear of the pad here, it actually sticks in there, and this bottom part right here is pushing up on the pad. So this will prevent that pad from rattling also when I hit the brake pedal. If I only hear the noise, the rattle noise when I'm hitting the brake, I really look at things like this first.